Hello everyone. So happy to say CA Sachin Bahl is with me. He was one of my brilliant students. I always miss him. I always like him. I always enjoy his company. He is a very social person. Right from his student days, always helping others, leaving his own work. Leaders should be like this. Leader is a person who always thinks for others, and then he has delivered so many lectures throughout the region, and he had been deputy convener of Pitampura chapter for almost 2 years, and he is an expert in different fields, and I wish that he should become not only the member of NIRC, he should become the president of the ICI one day. So I have all good wishes for Sachin. I request everyone to kindly please vote for Sachin. Ballot number is 4. CA Sachin, ballot number is 4. Please vote and support our sweet student, sweet person, Sachin Bahl.
Thank you, sir.